Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cotton candy machine cover is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who loves making fluffy, sugary clouds of joy at home or for events, ensuring that your machine remains pristine and ready for action, protecting it from dust, spills, and accidental damage, thereby extending its lifespan and maintaining its aesthetic appeal, making it a worthwhile investment for every cotton candy enthusiast. Number 5. Nostalgia Retro Cotton Candy Machine, Retro Red. Bring the fun of the fair home with this retro cotton candy machine. It's simple to use and perfect for creating sweet, fluffy treats in minutes. Get creative with your flavors. This machine's unique extractor head lets you use traditional flossing sugar or your favorite hard candies to make delicious cotton candy. Just warm it up, add your sugar, and watch the magic happen. In just a few short minutes, you'll have delightful cotton candy ready to enjoy. This machine features a charming retro design that will transport you back in time. It's a stylish addition to any kitchen or party. The clear rim guard not only keeps things tidy but also allows you to watch the cotton candy being spun. It's mesmerizing fun for everyone. It comes complete with 2 reusable cones, a sugar scoop, and an extractor head, so you can start making cotton candy right away. When you're done, it disassembles easily for quick cleaning. Just follow the instructions to ensure it's ready for your next sweet creation. What we like? This one is perfect for those who love a touch of nostalgia. It allows you to use both traditional flossing sugar and your favorite hard candies, offering great versatility. If you're looking for a fun, retro-themed addition to your parties or home, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The cover is made of durable material that protects the machine from dust and spills. It fits perfectly over my cotton candy machine, providing a snug and secure fit. The design is sleek and modern, adding a nice aesthetic to my kitchen counter. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Snow Cone Machine Kit. Create classic snow cones and endless frozen treats right in your kitchen. This electric machine makes it easy to craft your favorite icy desserts. With 6 delicious syrup flavors included, you can make margaritas, slushies, iced coffees, and so much more. Let your creativity run wild with icy concoctions. This kit comes complete with the machine, 6 16-ounce syrup bottles in popular flavors, cups, spoon straws, and pouring spouts. Get ready to party. It's easy to operate and clean, and its portable design makes it simple to store when not in use. Keep it handy for any snow cone emergency. Our syrups are shelf-stable, nut-free, and free from common allergens like soy, wheat, dairy, and egg. Enjoy delicious flavors worry-free. Beyond snow cones, these flavors can elevate cocktails, coffee, smoothies, and more. Add a splash of excitement to almost any beverage or treat. What we like? If you want a complete experience with a wide variety of flavors, this is the one to consider. It comes with everything you need to get started, including 6 delicious syrups that are also allergy-friendly. This is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys experimenting with different frozen treat creations. What people say? The cover is made of durable material that protects the cotton candy machine from dust and debris. It fits perfectly over the machine, providing a snug and secure fit. The cover is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 3. VIVO Pink 1030W Electric Cotton Candy Maker. Introducing the VIVO Pink 1030W Electric Cotton Candy Maker, your solution for creating delicious sugary treats. Satisfy your sweet tooth with this amazing machine. With 1030W of power, it efficiently produces 2 to 3 servings per minute. It operates on standard 110V 60 Hz power, making it perfect for home use. This machine comes with a large 20-inch stainless steel bowl, a convenient sugar scoop, and a clear bubble shield cover. Everything you need to get started is right here. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup as the unit easily disassembles for simple maintenance. Spend more time enjoying your treats and less time cleaning. Get creative and transform ordinary hard candy or sugar into fluffy cotton candy. Customize your treats with your favorite colors and flavors. What we like? For those who prioritize performance and ease of use at home, this machine stands out. Its high wattage ensures quick production, and the large bowl makes it convenient for family gatherings. If you want a powerful yet simple to operate cotton candy maker for your home, this is a great option. What people say. The cover is made of durable, easy-to-clean material. It fits perfectly over the cotton candy machine, providing good protection. The design is simple yet effective, keeping dust and debris out. Number 2. VIVO Pink 1030W Electric Cotton Candy Machine Cart. Introducing the VIVO Pink Cotton Candy Machine Cart, your ticket to creating delicious sugary treats. It's designed to satisfy any sweet tooth with ease. With a robust 1030W of power, this machine efficiently produces 2 to 3 servings of cotton candy every minute. It operates on standard 110V power, making it versatile for various locations. This package includes a large 20-inch stainless steel bowl, a convenient sugar scoop, a mobile cart for easy transport, and a clear bubble shield for a clean operation. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its easy-to-disassemble design. Spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your creations. Get creative by transforming hard candy or sugar into fluffy, delightful cotton candy. You can easily customize colors and flavors for a unique experience. Whether for home use or commercial events, this machine is perfect for parties, festivals, or simply adding a touch of fun to your day. What we like. This option is fantastic for anyone who needs mobility or is considering commercial use. The included cart makes it easy to move around, and its robust performance is suitable for events. If you need a versatile machine that can be used at home or for small events, this rolling maker is a superb choice. What people say. This cover is a perfect fit for my cotton candy machine, keeping it clean and dust-free when not in use. The material is durable and easy to wipe down, which is great for maintaining hygiene. It has a nice design that complements the machine, and it's simple to put on and take off. Number 1. DaDa Bedding Blooming Floral Euro Pillow Sham. Brighten up your space with this charming Euro pillow sham. Its country cottage design adds a touch of delicate beauty to any room. Featuring a vibrant patchwork of floral accents, this sham brings a cheerful and colorful look. The diamond-shaped patches add a unique visual appeal. Delicate ruffle accents along the edges enhance its charm. These subtle details and muted pastel shades create a soft and inviting aesthetic. Crafted from 100% cotton, it offers a comfortable and breathable feel. The polyester filling ensures a plush and supportive touch. Caring for this beautiful sham is simple. Machine wash it in cold water on a gentle cycle and air dry for the best results. This sham is designed to fit a 26 by 26 inch pillow insert, providing a perfect accent for your bed or sofa. Please note, inserts are sold separately. What we like. This is a unique item that doesn't fit the typical product category. If you're looking to add a charming, country cottage aesthetic to your bedroom decor, this pillow sham is perfect. Its 100% cotton fabric and detailed patchwork design offer a cozy and stylish touch. What people say. The cover is made of durable material that protects the machine from dust and spills. It fits perfectly over the cotton candy machine, providing a snug and secure fit. The design is sleek and modern, adding a touch of style to the kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.